Louie, what are you doing? You're washing dishes? Wow, very good naman yung baby namin. Nagwawash ng dishes. Wow, very good. Oh, this one, there's so many dishes pa, oh. Nak, oh, there's so many dishes. Come on. Wash ka dishes. Open the faucet. Come on. What's that?
Teacup.
Teapot. Oh, wash ka na ng dishes, Nak. There's so many dishes. Oh. Wash ka na, wash. After washing, put it here. Here, Nak, oh. Careful. Oh, put it there. Here, oh. Put here. Look, Rui. Rui, ah. Oh, here. Come on. Wash the dishes. Not yet done, oh. Careful. Careful, Nak, ah. Here, put it there. Put it there. The plates. Put the plates here, Nak. Here. Inside. Here. Pepper. Green bell pepper. Very good. High five. Galing mag-wash ng dishes, ah. Look, Louie, there's a refrigerator here. Louie. Look at the ref. Oh, wash ka dishes dyan, ha. Very good, ah. O, cook ka dyan. Mag-cook ka dyan. Mag-cook. Cook ka na ng, ano mo, food. What will you cook? Oh, here. Ganito na ko. Oh, ganyan, oh. Wow, nag-cooking na si Rui ko, ah. Very good, ah.
Wow.
Hmm?
It's so hot.
Oh, so hot. Careful, okay?
Okay. Look, it's a teacup. This one. Teacup.
Yes. Ang galing mag-cook, ah. Wow. Ang galing mo naman mag-cook, Nak. When you grow up, mag-cook ka, ha? Oh, so hot.